mga kapatid, I'm Elmer Mojica, your humble UP Triple Air Chair for Community Outreach and Advocacy. We are inviting all of you to the UP AAA GRC 2025 set for October 17 and October 18, 2025 at the Westin Galleria Hotel in Houston, Texas. GRC 2025 po ang flagship project ng UP AAA para sa mga scholars ng bayan. Let's come together in one big happy village in support of them. Maraming salamat po.